I keep my soul safe in the darkness, where silence speaks for me. No noise, no illusions, just who I'm meant to be. I keep my soul safe in the darkness, far from the empty light. Some pieces only found when you walk inside the night. I keep my soul safe in the darkness, where silence speaks for me. No noise, no illusions, just who I'm meant to be. I keep my soul safe in the darkness, far from the empty light. Some pieces only found when you walk inside the night. I keep my soul safe in the darkness, where silence speaks for me. No noise, no illusions, just who I'm meant to be. I keep my soul safe in the darkness, far from the empty light. Some pieces only found when you walk inside